Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the world of 3D printing and drones to uncover the best 3D printer for drones. The 3D printers are one of the most reliable brands for drones. It can easily be used to create and customize a perfect drone for your needs. And with that in mind, we have determined the 5 best 3D printer brands for drones. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a huge difference in the performance of your drone. To help you out, we have listed the top 5 best 3D printers for drones and their features. These unique printers are especially for users who can't DIY a drone from scratch or need more time. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the official FLSUN V400 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate companion for drone enthusiasts, the official FLSUN V400 3D printer. Get ready to experience a printing revolution that will have you soaring to new heights of creativity. With this cutting-edge device, you can save over 70% of your printing time, giving you more freedom to focus on perfecting your airborne wonders. Equipped with 3 powerful 48W high-power stepper motors and the lightning-fast Klipper Firmware Pad, the FLSUN V400 reaches up to 400 mm per second, leading the competition in the dust. Prepare to be amazed as this printer operates a mind-boggling 400% faster than industry standards, delivering unrivaled efficiency. Featuring a generous printing area of 5300mm x 410mm, this behemoth lets you bring your drone dreams to life on a grand scale. The integrated dual-axis linear guide system guarantees unmatched stability and accuracy while keeping noise levels minimal. With an all-metal direct drive extruder and a high-temp nozzle capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, the FLSUN V400 is ready to tackle any filament you throw. Whether it's flexible PLA, sturdy ABS, or even exotic materials like wood or TPU, this printer easily handles them. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description.